Hey guys, it's Candy, and I've got another share here of Get Things Done. And I don't know about you guys, but I just cannot hardly throw a calendar away when it's got really pretty pictures in it. So I've kind of had this one in my stash for a little while. I figured I'd do something with it. And I saw a really cool video of a gal who uses laminate over paper to make her, I believe it was junk journal covers, but I'll put a link to her in below. But I saw that she used her laminator and then folded her paper up, and then she had little covers. So for some of the pictures it worked really well. Some of them were a little too big or didn't quite fit. But I'll show you what I did with this calendar. So the first things that I made with the calendar are these junk journal covers. Sorry for the glare there, but I laminated them, and like I say, I'll show the video. But I just really like the way they came, so I'll add some inserts so that'll be added back to my things to do pile. But I thought they turned out really cute. And this one's a little bit smaller just because the words didn't quite fit in there. And some of my words are a little bit over. I just really like the way that, oops, that, you can kind of see, that's a little bit better. Kind of see my stand that I've got my phone hooked up to. So that's another one. I just really think they turned out pretty. So I'll show these when I get the inserts in. And this one, it went over a little bit. I didn't measure it out right, so, but that's okay. And then a couple of the other ones I just added to some paper journals that I had, and I put on both sides. Hopefully you can see that without too much glare. And this was another one. Oops, sorry. And this one. These are just some notebooks that I had laying around for a really long time. I'll probably give them to my youth group. Let's see, and then I made a couple where I added paper to the back of them, but added the pen in a little replaceable. You can pull this out and put in a new one. So I did that one, and then I added, oh no! It's kind of pulling up a little bit. Added a little rub-ons to these. Added up here. Little notepad inside. And this was one that my husband brought home to me from something. And I don't know if you can see the words there. It was real light rub on there. It says delight in life. But I thought these were kind of cute. So just got rid of some of the calendar pages. Hope you enjoyed them. Like I say, check out the video below of the gal who did the laminate. It was really interesting and kind of cool. So anyway, hope you guys are all having a great day, and talk to you guys soon. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.